To spot time patterns in communications, we developed the Daily Communication Patterns module. This visualization represents the time of the day in the x-axis and each day in the dataset as a horizontal band. Each band can be expanded. Box represents the communications. Entities can be easily identified by letters and entity types by colors. The sender on the left and the receiver on the right. On hover, we can also read the message and see more details. On the background of each band, we can see a message density curve to easily identify times with increased communication traffic. On the right, we have a few filter options. First, by entity, where we can see only communications involving one or more entities, and below it, we can also filter by topic modeling algorithms, where the whole visualization updates to highlight where and when each topic was utilized. This is the Network Exploration module, a unified workspace for discovering who talks to whom, how they are connected, and where hidden patterns lie. First, the communication graph arranges every entity around a circle. Lines trace every message they exchange, while colors tell you the entity type and the shape if we are seeing a real name or a pseudonym. A single click on any node instantly filters both graphs to that entity and its conversation, and the chat view opens the exact message that was sent. The filter also propagates in the relationship graph, revealing, for example, only Sam's brother relationships without extra clicks. You can also slice the network by type. Selecting vessel in the legend keeps every view in sync, so patterns inside that category pops right out. Finally, the similarity heatmap acts as a discovery engine. Click on any cell to pull the two entities into focus everywhere else, perfect for spotting covert coordination. This is the Topic Modeling Explorer, where we can discover who talks about what. Here we have 4 options of topic modeling algorithms: LDA with bag of words, or TF-IDF, bird topic, or just keyword identification with TF-IDF scores. When we select a topic, we can see its usage on the graph, and on the right we can see topic details and the top entities that use that topic. Below the graph, we also have a list of all messages involving that topic, ordered by relevance to that topic. The last module is the analysis of Nadia Conti. First, in the communication graph, we can see the direct and indirect communications involving her. When we hover on a node, we can see a tooltip that shows the keywords and corruption events. We can also see indirect communications, in which we realize that most indirect messages are with pseudonyms. In the Ego network graph, we can explore corruption events and messages of Nadia Conti and her peers. In the corruption events timeline, we can see the number of events that occur over time. We can also click in the legend and select only the items indicated by the legend for a better understanding. The most used keywords by the selected entity in the Ego network can be easily seen in the keyword cloud, and its messages can be seen in the message analysis. These messages are categorized by corruption events, and they also can be filtered by selecting an item in the corruption events timeline legend.